Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I sit down and film a video. I'm still not prepared today, but I just want to share with you what I got from Hermes in 2022, from the beginning of the year to the end of the year, or until I can get a QUOTA back, hopefully soon. So it is going to be like we are in this journey together. So let's get into it, see what I got back in April. My first visit to my local Hermes store. Let's unbox the first one. You can tell right away, of course, this is a Twilly. And look at this piece right here. It is very lovely piece. It is called Twilly Falcon. I cannot read it. Guard Bro Pop Charms. It is in multicolor. Look at this. Beautiful. I love it. It has a heart charm, with the 4-leaf clovers. Yeah, so see all the charms. And because of this piece, that made me go to Hermes. Yep, this year I'm more into fine jewelry, so I didn't plan to get anything from Hermes until I saw this piece online. Actually, social media really made me get this piece right here. Yep, so that is how I ended up with this unboxing video. So that is the first piece I got. Let's see what's the next one, because it's 2 months ago, so I don't remember. Oh my goodness, where is the piece from this box? Let me remember. Oh, I think I got 2. Oh my goodness, I couldn't remember. I got exactly the same, like 2 Twillys in the same print. Yeah, I love this so much that I got 2 of them for my Birkin in rose extreme color. Yep, so I'm gonna post the picture because I already used it. I used just one and I forgot to put it back for this video. So I'm gonna post the picture of this Twilly on the handle of my Birkin in rose extreme color, and it is amazing. It looks really lovely. Yeah, so 2 of the Twillys. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, my goodness, I completely forgot. Yeah. Oh, okay, so this is the third one I got from that trip back in April. Look at this. Hermes, Paris. All the keys, different type keys from Hermes. It is such a beautiful piece. That is it, the name of it. I originally wanted the one in white, but my SA couldn't get it for me. He didn't have it at store. At that time, they didn't have a white available, so I got this one in black. I love it. And I got 2 of this one. So I gave one to my mom already. This is deodorant. I'm not sure if you know that Hermes has this natural spray deodorant, the Twilly Hermes right here. I love this. Actually, I use different one from Hermes, which is for men, but this one is for women, for female. It's funny because I've been using the ones for men for years, and I didn't even know that they have one for female. So this is the first time I got one in the Twilly. How beautiful. Yeah, so I haven't tried it on, but I'm sure it's gonna smell good. Look at this lovely pink. Yo, This is how it looks inside. Hermes perfumes. I love to use the spray deodorant because it's very fresh, and especially with the Twilly Hermes fragrance, the perfumes, it must be very, very lovely. I just don't know how long or how lasting it's gonna be. It's very refreshing, especially in the summer. This is another piece. This is the first time I saw, they have some lipstick colors there, but my SA couldn't find this color there that day, so he had to order it for me. But the funny thing is, I wanted the whole lipstick, but I don't know why he ordered the refill one. So Hermes lipstick is refillable, and this one is the refill one. You can see Hermes in there. This is how long it is, the lipstick. This is not lipstick, this is Rosy Lip Enhancer. This is the name, Rose Diet 30. Let me try it on. Let me do a swatch so you can see. It is hard to see with the yellow lighting right now. Yeah, so you can really see the color because it's more like rosy color lip enhancer. So you will see very light color, very natural. That is it for today video. I just want to share with you the first purchase that I did at my local Hermes store for 2022. So let's follow my age journey for this year to see when I can get the QUOTA bag, or how long it takes me, or what I purchased to get offer a QUOTA bag. So hopefully soon. Follow me on Instagram. I update almost every day, anything luxury related. Consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below to get notified anytime I upload a video. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye bye.